jumbo jet, the blue belly and the yellow or orangish part on the top of the tail. There goes a Cessna exiting in the fake exit route for civilians over 24191, trying to make a regularity out of that line so that they can say that that's what the June 30th plane was doing. They all had a little celebration. They're like, the airport's in that direction. I've seen every time they've come out from their little think tank and they have a new story, and they're like, yes, we've done it. Just like the time when he came out and waved the helicopter tail at me. We've done it. So this is a fake civilian return route